Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super cool trick on how to create a video inside text using InShot app. Now let's jump right into it. Let's add the text. Tap on the text. Type in the word phrase you want. Make sure to choose a thick, bold font to make the video inside the text more visible. You can adjust the size of the text by using these editing options given in InShot app. Position the text in the center of the screen and adjust its size as needed. Once it's done, it's time to save the video. Create a new video. Add a video for the background. I have choose a video from my gallery. Walking clouds. Tap on PIP and go back to your gallery and choose the video which you have saved with the fonts. Tap Chrome. Adjust the strength and the shadow. And it's done. You have successfully created a video inside text using InShot app. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any queries, you can write down in comment. I will make sure that I will help you. Thank you.